Chill, man.
Damn, bro. Okay.
You can see my corners, they kind of light. I'm just looking for something that's going to get me back right.
I mean, honestly, we should just bald it, because like these corners is looking a little light. I would really have to push you back to meet it, make it straight. But I think I got a better solution for you. You know, we don't gotta go bald, but you know, I can like just cut it down to a nice brush length, get you some waves going, give you a nice high taper on the side. Most importantly, we're gonna give you a full crispy lineup and make sure it's all natural, no pushback. What you think, brother?
Man, I'm loving that. My girl, Shane, been looking at me the same. I think this going to put me back in the game.
Okay, let's see. Where did you hear about me from?
Man, I saw you on Instagram. I was scrolling. I saw you on my reels.
Nice.
Saw you cut so many different people. Okay. I like the attention to detail.
Yes, sir. Nice. Perfect. Lastly, what are you expecting to look like after this haircut?
Man, honestly, I'm trying to be a new man after this haircut, man. I want to get the respect back with my girl and just be a new man after this.
Okay, I got you. Brother, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Let me put you back in the game.
Let's get it, man.